Yo guys, it's my boy Aiden. We're going into this place. Here, I'll show you in a second. Hang on, wait. How do I fucking...
You can't restart the recording. Just restart the recording. Aim it like this. Okay? Restart the recording.
That's where we're going, guys.
Just restart.
So,
Just restart.
we're gonna find out where it is. Alright. This is how we're gonna get it.
Yeah, guys.
Alright, guys, we're going in already.
Bro, what the hell is that? Right there. Bro, look. It says, I don't know if y'all can see that.
Gatewell B.
Gatewell B. Well, I wonder if that over there is Gatewell A. Gatewell A. Like the, I don't know if y'all can see it. It's a little dark. Right there, Gatewell A. There's like a building over there. Huh? What the fuck is that? Well, we're keeping the sign. We're keeping the sign.
Yeah, we're keeping the sign.
But yeah, guys. Look at this place, bro. This is awesome. What do you think about it, Nick?
I think it's good, bro.
Well, I mean,
Let's check out this place first.
you want to go check out Gatewell A after, or no? I mean, it might be a little dangerous considering there's still... I don't know if y'all can see that. We were in here already just to check it out, make sure there's no people. There's excavating equipment over there, and I don't want to go over there because I feel like there'd be people over there. Bro.
Like broken glass and everything. See if they can see.
It's way too dark, bro. I don't think they can see. Oh, actually, yeah, they can. Alright, bro. Look at all these cans. Is this like a chair?
Wait, could they be like the one with these works still? No, they don't work, guys.
Bro, you should have turned the flash on so we could, like, shine the flashlight.
I don't know how to do it.
Alright, hold up.
No, bro, just...
Alright, we're back. We can't put the flash on. Look at this, guys. Look at these stairs. Is that open? We didn't explore any of this before we got here. All we did was, like, walk around this, see if there were any people. Oh, it's open, bro. Do you want to open it? I'm not opening it. Bro, can y'all see that? Yo, that's ice, bro. That's ice.
It's gotta be ice, bro.
No doubt. What?
Oh, well, it's not even ice, yo.
How? Bro, look how far that goes. You can see the pole go down to the ground.
That stinks, bro.
Bro, it would look better if we had the flashlight on, though.
Sorry, bro.
We'll come back and do a part 2 in a little bit, I'm sure. Me and him are gonna go to...
Open that.
No, dude, that's an electric box. You don't get yourself electrocuted, bro.
It's not even that.
Yeah, it is. Never mind. I mean, if we brought a flathead screwdriver, we could. Look at that. But, yeah. I'm sorry, I'm not very good at recording backwards, so... Oh, shit, I went up the wrong way. Well, I'm not going back down the stairs. Oh, God. This one's gonna be on Nick's channel, the other one will be on my channel. We're doing a collab video. I don't know if I'll post this on my channel, actually. Bro! Bro, I'm not going down there. Look at that, it's connected. I don't even think it can fit. Oh, yeah, it can. Look at that, guys. Y'all can see my reflection there. What is? Don't. That arm's on there, guys. That sounds creepy. Can y'all hear that? Listen. Yo, guys, there's people over there. We gotta get down or else we're gonna get caught. For Gatewell A. Gatewell A. Alright, let's go. Me and my pal Nick. I don't know if y'all can see here. Me and my pal Nick are gonna go explore Gatewell A. Do you wanna just pause the video and wait till we get there and unpause it?
Yeah, pause it.
Alright. Peace out, guys. See you in like 1 second for you. Guys, there's people. Oh my god. Keep running. Keep running. Keep running. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, go. 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 Don't slip, Nick. Bro, I see them. Go. Go. Y'all see it. Bro. Come on, dude. Bro, look at me. See them? Oh my god. There you go. Grab the bikes. Oh my god. Oh, dude, they still see us, so get to the bikes. Alright, guys. We'll get to a spot where we can stop. Right now, we can't. We're gonna go ahead and sit down.